This is Logitech Keys To Go keyboard, and currently this is not available in India. I got it from London. My brother got it for me from London, but I want to unbox this, and this is a very special product because Logitech never promoted it. This is the best alternative for Apple folio keyboard or the Magic Keyboard to a certain extent because it is economical, and this is a very slim keyboard. Nothing much, pretty small box. Here you go. There's the keyboard itself. There is the stand where you can fix it here and probably mount your smartphones. I don't recommend mounting heavy tablets because it may tip out, but let's keep this aside. Some paperwork, manual, USB to micro USB. This is a very thin keyboard. Look how slim it is. It's a very slim keyboard. And some people claim it's much slimmer than the folio keyboard. And on the top right, there's an on-off switch and a charging port. Logitech claims that this keyboard lasts for 3 months when full charged. I haven't charged it since I got it, and it's a very slim keyboard. Let me show you how it looks when you keep it with an iPad. Look how big the keyboard is. And pairing is pretty simple. Turn the Bluetooth on and turn the keyboard on. This is the battery indicator light right here, which shows the battery. Currently it's full because I have not charged it since I've got it. It says Keys To Go, and it's a very convenient keyboard for typing on your iPad. All the shortcut keys work. You can open multiple apps and press the home button, it goes to home. Not so tactile, and the keys have a very fair key travel, and it is very quiet. And it's really slim, and I'm super liking it because you can always carry it with your iPad just like this. So when you hit Command plus H, it'll take you to the home screen, or you have a dedicated home screen button which will take you to the main screen. And the typing on this keyboard is very nice. Let me go to notes and type something here for you. Let me open the quick notes. And typing feels really nice on this keyboard. There's a fair amount of key travel, and let me type something. It's an awesome keyboard, very slim and portable. All the shortcut keys work. When you press Command A, it selects all, and Command A, Command C is for copying. You can paste it. You can have paste it on the next line if you want to, and the key travel is very nice, and there's fair enough space between the keys. Also, there's a slight marking on the F and J keys so that you can find the center when you type without looking at the keyboard. If you press Command and the Tab key, you can switch between apps. There's a quick app switcher. Let's we are in the photographic app, now we are in the notes app. You can just press Command T to scroll between the apps. If you're in Safari, Command plus to zoom in, Command minus for zoom out. All the shortcut keys work. I must say it is a very quiet keyboard, was ever built. This is the best alternative because not many people use the iPad with the keys, so that you can just carry the iPad, and whenever you want the keyboard, you can pull the keyboard out, you can carry it with your iPad just like this. It is pretty portable and it's pretty light, and you can just carry it with your iPad just like this. Most of them don't use the keyboard, so you can keep the keyboard aside and you can use your iPad directly. But sometimes you need the keyboard. You can just pull in the keyboard, turn it on, and you can use it with your iPad. This is a very slim keyboard, and I don't know why Logitech has not launched it in India, or have they launched it and not started selling it here, but because this is a killer keyboard, killer features, and very slim, very light, and probably the best keyboard so far I've used with my iPad. I'm super loving it, and I recommend you to get it, but currently it's not available in India. And the keys are spill proof. That means if you have an accidental drop of water or coffee or anything on the keyboard, you can just wipe it clean, and it's spill proof. And the profile is so thin that it can carry on your handbag or your laptop bag or an iPad sleeve as well. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, stay adventurous.